Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make poached eggs. First, ensure you have very fresh eggs, a medium-sized pot, and a slotted spoon ready. Fresh eggs are key for a compact shape. Fill your pot with about 3 to 4 inches of water and bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg whites set quickly and neatly. Crack each egg into a separate small bowl or ramekin, which makes it easier to gently slide them into the water. Once your water is at a gentle simmer, use a spoon to create a slight swirl in the water. This helps the egg white wrap around the yolk. Carefully and gently slide each egg from its bowl into the center of the swirl. Avoid dropping them in, as this can break the yolk. Cook the eggs for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. If you prefer a firmer yolk, you can extend the cooking time by another minute or so. Do not overcrowd the pot. Cook 1 or 2 eggs at a time. When your eggs have reached your desired doneness, carefully remove them from the water using a slotted spoon. Allow any excess water to drain off for a few seconds. You can also gently blot them on a paper towel to remove more moisture. Immediately transfer your perfectly poached eggs to your plate. Season them generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. They are delicious on toast, avocado, or even a bed of greens. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation. For even more consistent results, consider using a kitchen timer to track your cooking duration precisely. Another pro tip is to crack your eggs into a fine mesh sieve before poaching. This removes the very thin, watery part of the egg white, leading to a more compact and aesthetically pleasing poached egg. Remember to check the description for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is just as important as enjoying a delicious meal, so keep that in mind throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.